Hello everyone. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to do review 1 from your textbook. Actually, what it means is how to start a Visual Studio. So, let's do it. The first thing we are going to do is look for a Visual Studio. You should have already downloaded it on your computers. If not, check the folders. You should have the instructions how to do it. I already have Visual Studio on, so I'm going to type Visual in the type here to search. So Visual, here it is. Well, immediately this pops in, so let's click on it. Now, Visual Studio is going to open, and we'll start with the first screen where we are going to create a new project. Notice I've got some stuff here. Well, because I was playing with it before, your screen will be completely empty because you haven't created anything yet. Now I'm going to create a new project. When I click on it, the next screen is going to be very important as well. Now let's watch. Yes. Why is it so important? Because you have to tell the computer what language are you going to use. In Visual Studio, you can actually use C#, C++, Java, even Python. But we are going to use Visual Basic. So we point to Visual Basic. Don't worry about anything up there anymore. Now, the only thing we are going to do now is to look for Windows Form App. Why do I have it? Well, this is the recent project template that I've used, and this is the one we are going to use for our projects. So check. No, 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 no. Okay, then we have to scroll down. And a little bit more. Here it is. Windows Forms App. Perfect. That's the one we want. That's the one we click on. Good. We don't have to click on anything else here. We just go to Next. Another very important screen. This is the one where we are going to tell the computer how our project will be named. Not only that, where we are going to save it. So let's start with project name. In review 1, you're going to type message. I'm not going to type message. I'm going to give another name. How about example 2, because I was playing with one and the other one. So I'm going to call it example 2. All right. Notice project name and the solution name are the same. That's good. Now the next part is to choose the location. Now, for the fun of it, I created a folder here on my desktop called Visual Basic Project. Not a good thing. You should not be saving anything on your desktop. It's better to save it on your C drive in your documents. Now, so that would be the best, but wait just a second. What if you want to use your projects from your school computer or any computer with internet? Well, then you'd want to save it in your G drive. Remember, you've got a Google Drive. This is the place where you could save your projects as well. Well, how do you find it? See those 3 dots called ellipses? Click on it, and here it is. Now, if you look at your quick access on the left hand side, I've got desktop, I've got downloads, documents. If you scroll down, you may find your G drive. I don't have a G drive. I'm going to save it in on the desktop right here. And of course, then I click on Visual Basic Projects and select the folder. Yay! Now I can click on Create. This is the moment when the computer creates your folder. Why folder? Because there's more than just one file for the project. So it takes a moment. It takes a moment, as you can see, another moment. Oh, yes. On your computer, it may take even longer. Okay, so while we are waiting, I can tell you that the whole project has more than one file. In Word, for example, when you create a document, it's just one file. In Excel, the same, not in Visual Basic. The actual computer is creating specific folders for specific parts of the project. And we are waiting, still waiting. It takes a moment. Oh, finally! About time. I was getting worried. So let's look what we have here. In review 1, in part B, you are told locate the toolbox with controls for creating objects, the Solution Explorer window, and the Properties window. Now, Solution Explorer window, easy. Look here. It says Solution Explorer. It just shows you the other files in this folder. Now, Properties window. Yes, we've got it as well. Watch here. Where is the toolbox? We don't see any more windows. But wait, there's some writing on the left. Oh, there's a toolbox. Let's click on it. All right. Now, oh, I don't like it. Watch. The toolbox is on top of our form where we are supposed to put our objects. How can we push it away? Well, watch this. See this, the little pin? Right here, it's auto hide. When we click on it, all right, the toolbox stays put, and our form is right here. So this is how you start Visual Basic, and this is how you do review 1.